There is a fire that is going out of control, and I want to do a light language transmission so that we can unite in love instead of fear, because there is a lot of fear right now. And when there is a lot of fear within the planet, okay, within the consciousness, then the vibration is really low, okay? And then instead of, slowing the fire, we just add into it without fear. So I want to do a light language transmission. If you want to connect within your heart and send love and light to those who have been affected, okay? To connect together through love, knowing that we are powerful, that we have the power to connect together and create the world that we desire. Open your heart and send love and light from your heart. Shari Juaniniata Rapushata Rapaturiniata Rata Tukushata Kala Runiniana Tatapusheti Kiara Tushi Chiata Nana Tapa Tushi Tikiara Katataka Shiti Kianiana Tatata Hakashiti ni Mwani Niata Purushati Kiala Ruto Nana Tarashiti Kiasa Hasikishini Mwani Niatu Rapatapataka Shiti Kili Kiara Hishitini mwani tiara pata pukushata kala richia tiniatu rushia. Hishitini moniata rapo shutu shati kiara mutu kuriama tapa rushitiki shati yata. Hishini miuti liami tiuri yapa tapa tsuki shata kiliara takaru tati shani kia. Hishitini niumi niata rapo suk shati kiara huti shikinia. Hamashiti kini mwani miatara putu shati kiara tuku shiti niatu hushi hishini mura data tapa. Let's release the fear, because the fear doesn't do anything for us. Love, okay, connection, understanding, and healing. The way that we contribute to the collective consciousness is by doing our own inner healing. Okay, you do your own inner healing. And you want to send light to those fires that's happening right now. Go into nature, connect your heart with the earth, and know that you have more power than you can ever imagine. All right, just go into nature, connect with the earth, lay down on it, and imagine your heart open up really big, and a bolt of light just went into the planet and you send it to the fire. Right? Why don't we do that together? We all connected, we are all one, right? And it's through love and through the heart that we change our reality. Okay, together we change the world.
Through this movement, I transmute the pain and suffering that no longer serve this planet to be renewed, to be transmute into light. We are strong and resilient, and we have the power within us to transmute anything. Open your heart and feel God's love. Send it wherever it is needed.